In this video, I'm going to show you how to use and wire up the external e-stop accessory. So the first thing that is important is it's a good idea to have the SIM powered down. I just powered down everything, makes things easy. All right, so now what we're going to do, we actually need to take out these first two wires, these loop backs. So I'm just going to use a screwdriver. You just push in the orange, and then you should be able to pull that connection right out. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these. Okay, so I took out those first two wires. Now it's time to wire in the e-stop. So I've got a brown and a blue and a black and a white wire. I'm going to post a diagram here on this page just to help you remember. But if you look at, starting at the top left, you use the brown, top right is blue, bottom left is black, bottom right there is white. And I'm referring to these first four holes that we took the wires out of. So you just shove it right in the hole, each one of those. Okay, so I got brown, blue, black, and white. Now, when I power back on, which I'll show you here in just a second, hitting that e-stop should stop the robot. Okay, so I just booted back up, and you can see my safety reset is flashing like it always does when you boot up. If I push that, it clears, and then again, if I push my e-stop, pops up, it says external emergency stop, and of course, I can just reset that again. So there is how you use the external e-stop. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just follow the diagram below.